Hi, my name is Carrie Legow. I'm one of the Autism Low Incidence Mentor teachers with Richmond Public Schools. I'm here today to do another lesson from the Unique Learning Systems program. We're going to be doing lesson number 2 from the month of April. And it is all about the book that we read, Clarence Works for Money. We're going to read it again, and then we're going to answer some questions about what he did. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. We will get started. All right, so our story is Clarence Works for Money. And from when we read it the other day, from looking at the pictures, it looks like he's earning money for doing some chores to possibly buy something. So let's read it again, and then we're going to answer some questions, some comprehension questions. If you have a communication board, you can get it out now. So you can answer some questions using that as well. So here we go. Clarence Works for Money by Emily Weinberger, who is the author, illustrated by Alex Weishart, who drew the pictures.
Clarence Works for Money by Emily Weinberger, illustrated by Alex Weishart.
And before we read the story, some of the words in the story that you're going to hear are work, buy, chore, and money. These are vocabulary words that you're going to hear throughout the story. We discussed these the other day as well. All right. Clarence wants a new toy truck. Here's that shiny yellow new toy truck. It costs $8. $8 is money. Clarence needs money to buy it.
Clarence wants a new toy truck. It costs $8. Clarence needs money to buy it.
How is he going to earn money? How can Clarence get money? Clarence can get money if he does chores. There's our word chores. And chores looks like different things around the house, like cleaning windows, taking out the trash. All right. How can he do chores at his house?
How can Clarence get money? Clarence can get money if he does chores. He can do chores at his house.
All right, let's see what Clarence does. Clarence gets $2 if he washes the car. He washes the car outside. Clarence gets $2. $2 for washing his car.
Clarence can get $2 if he washes the car. He washes the car outside. Clarence gets $2.
Clarence can get $2 more if he puts away the food. He puts the food on the shelves. Clarence gets $2 more.
Clarence can get $2 more if he puts away the food. He puts the food on the shelves. Clarence gets $2 more.
He's earning that money to get the toy truck. Clarence can get $2 more if he folds the clothes. He folds the clothes in the basket. Here's the shirt. He's folding them in the basket. Clarence gets $2 more.
Clarence can get $2 more if he folds the clothes. He folds the clothes in the basket. Clarence gets $2 more.
All right. Clarence can get $2 more if he washes the dishes. He washes the dishes in the sink. Clarence gets $2 more, and he's using that sponge.
Clarence can get $2 more if he washes the dishes. He washes the dishes in the sink. Clarence gets $2 more.
Okay. Clarence can get $2 more if he takes out the trash. He takes the trash out to the trash can. Clarence gets $2 more.
Clarence can get $2 more if he takes out the trash. He takes the trash out to the trash can. Clarence gets $2 more.
All right, so he's doing all the chores to earn that money so he can buy the toy truck. All right, Clarence counts the money he got. So he got money for doing his chores. So Clarence counts the money he got. He has $10 total. He has money to buy the toy truck.
Clarence counts the money he got. He has $10 total. He has money to buy the toy truck.
That's awesome. Clarence buys the new toy truck. He counts his money again. He still has some money left. So he went to the store to buy the truck with his $10, and the truck was $8.
Clarence buys the new toy truck. He counts his money again. He still has some money left.
What's he going to do with that money? What should Clarence do with his money? Should he buy something else? Should he save it for later?
What should Clarence do with his money? Should he buy something else? Should he save it for later?
And the story is over. The end.
The end.
All right, so Clarence went to the store with his money to buy the toy truck. He got his money by doing chores around the house. So he thought in his head, to get money, he had to do chores. Some of the chores that he did was putting away the food in the pantry, and he got $2. And he also folded the shirts and put them in the basket. All right, so now we're going to answer some questions about what Clarence did. Here we go. All right, what does Clarence need? What do you think Clarence needs? From reading the story, does he need toys, money, or books?
What does Clarence need? Toys.
Toys.
Money.
Money.
Books.
Books. So Clarence needed what? Money. So he could do something with that money. Let's see. What can Clarence do to get money?
What can Clarence do to get money?
Did Clarence run to get money? Did he sleep to get money? Or did he do chores to get money? Point to it. If you pointed to chores, you are correct. He did chores around his house to earn money. All right. What does Clarence put away?
What does Clarence put away?
All right. Did he put away shoes? Did he put away towels? Or did he put away food? Let's look at our pictures. So what did he put away? What was he putting away in the pantry? What is that? Shoes, towels, or food? Point to it. If you pointed to food, you are correct. All right, let's move this up a little bit. What does Clarence fold? Does he fold the trash? Does he fold clothes? Or does he fold dishes? Let's look at our pictures. What is Clarence folding here? Trash, clothes, or dishes? Point to it. If you pointed to clothes, you are correct. All right, now let's find out what Clarence buys with his money. What does Clarence buy?
What does Clarence buy?
Does he buy a baseball, a horn, or a toy truck? What does he buy? Let's go back and look at our pictures. So he had money. He did chores and got some money to buy what? What is that? A baseball, a horn, or a toy truck? Point to it. If you pointed to a toy truck,
toy truck.
You are correct. All right. I'm going to do this one more time for my friends that need it a little bigger. Okay. So, let's see. What does Clarence need to be able to buy the toy truck?
What does Clarence need?
Does he need toys, money, or books? You can match money. Point to the money picture. If you pointed here,
money.
You are correct. All right. What can Clarence do to get that money?
What can Clarence do to get money?
All right. Did he run, sleep, or do chores? If you can match chore, point to it.
Chores.
Yeah. So what can Clarence do to get money? He can do chores to get money. And some of those chores were folding laundry and shirts, putting food away in the pantry. He also washed dishes and washed a car. All right, so what does Clarence put away?
What does Clarence put away?
Does he put away shoes, towels, or food? Let's look at our picture one more time. What does Clarence put away? Point to it.
Food.
Nice job. If you pointed to food, you are correct. What does Clarence fold?
What does Clarence fold?
Does he fold trash, clothes, or dishes? Let's look at our pictures again. He folds. Point to it. Trash, clothes, or dishes?
Clothes.
Folds clothes to earn that money. All right. What does Clarence buy? Does he buy a baseball, a horn, or a toy truck? Let's go back to our pictures and look. What's he buying there? What is that? Point to it.
Toy truck.
He bought a toy truck with his money. All right, let's Let's make this a little bit smaller so we can see it. All right, so what chores does Clarence do? All right, so we said, here, let's see. Does he take out the trash? Washes a car? Puts away food? Walks the dog? Washes dishes? Cleans his room? Folds the clothes? If you point, so point to some chores that Clarence did. He takes out the trash.
Takes out trash.
Yep. He washed the car.
Washes car.
Mm-hmm. He put away food.
Puts away food.
And he washes dishes.
Washes dishes. Folds clothes.
And he folds clothes.
$0.
Well, let's see.
Money earned.
Money earned. He earned $10 for doing that. All right. Let's see.
Who is in the story?
Who is in the story? Who is the character in the story? Was it about Mrs. B, Drew, or Clarence? Point to it. If you pointed to Clarence,
Clarence.
you are correct. Where does this story take place? Does it take place in the library, the school, or the house? Point to it. If you pointed to house, you are correct.
What does the character do?
So what does the character do? The character is Clarence. What does he do? Does he play games with his friends? Does he do chores to earn money? Or does he cook a meal? What does he do? Point to it.
Does chores to earn money.
He does chores to earn money. And who can remember?
What does the character buy?
What does Clarence buy? Did he buy a hat, a book, or a toy truck? Point to it. He bought a toy truck. All right. All right, so we talked about Clarence, and he earned money by doing different chores, like washing dishes. So he did chores to earn money, to buy. Let me show you a picture. The toy truck. What kind of chores do you do around your house? You can tell someone around at your house what kind of things that you could do around your house to help out. All right. Thanks so much for reading the story with me and answering the questions about Clarence. I'll be back soon to do another lesson. Bye-bye for now.